I was complaining that I don't. Ah, there's something. It's definitely not as loud as where we watch them from.
Oh, yeah.
We watch them like right near the water. Not quite as close as some people watch them, but the water's so pretty it reflects it.
When they go off.
Wow, this is doing some really interesting things.
We had a chemistry teacher once that did like a balloon full of acetylene, and then he lit it on fire to do like a chemistry experiment. He didn't realize how much acetylene he had in it.
Oh no! Oh.
He made a huge shock wave.
I hope he did this at yours.
No, it was in class. This is in university, so any damage he said he wasn't responsible for.
Does he still have his job?
Yeah, he's tenured. He's good.
No. That's why he did it. The one year they tried to have fireworks in Oxford, it rained all summer. So when they finally set them off, she was like, "Is the fire department here?" No, we don't need it. I think like 2 of them made it above the tree lines.
Helicopter.
Maybe they're filming it.
It's possible. Been late. Guys are slow.
Maybe that was what we saw over there.
Let's see.
You might be. I don't see the other one.
Can't see people very well.
Look at the shopper.
Nope.
Well,
Shopper either.
oh. That was cool.
Too bad the dragon from the Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. I'm just saying.
Cool. Little run and museum.
You have fun.
I didn't mean like right over. I meant like come up.
They could probably actually do that. Like a bunch of those red streamer ones,
Yeah.
and just put it on the wings.
Yeah, but Naoma,